Okay, how to so Shahagov na Paidreacha as nGaeilge prayers in Irish. Now this is not the extended list or anything like that. This is just something that I would have used in school, in the Catholic grammar school. What we have is how to bless yourself in Irish. We have the Glory Be. We have the Our Father, and we have the Hail Mary, and a wee extra that is Grace Before Needs. Okay, so just to help you with the pronunciation, I'll try and do it as clearly and as slowly as I can. So the word for a prayer in Irish is Paidr, Paidr, and the plural of that is Paidreacha, Paidreacha prayers. If any of you say the rosary, the word for the rosary is Paidrin, Paidrin, and any of you that know anyone in rural areas of Ireland that would have probably made their own potching, the bubbles around the top of a glass that you would see the odd time, a glass of potching, was also known as the Paidrin. That was the rosary, or the Paidrin that was blessed at the top of a glass of potching in the Gaeltacht areas. So, how to bless yourself in Irish? In Anyam and Ahar, Agus and Vic, Agus and Spirit, Neve, Amen. Okay, so we'll take a run through that one more time. In Anyam and Ahar, Agus and Vic, Agus and Spirit, Neve, Amen. Okay. Then you have the Glory Be, slightly longer, quite similar but a bit longer. Glór don Ahar, Agus don Wach, Agus don Spirit, Neve. Mar a bhí ó hús, mar atá a nish, agus mar a bhés go brach. Trí híl na síl. Amen. Okay? So just notice there's a little fada that needs to go in that U there. Alright? So one more time. Glór don Ahar, agus don Wach, agus don Spirit, Neve, mar a bhí ó hús, mar atá a nish, agus mar a bhés go brach. Trí híl na síl. Amen. Moving on to the next bit. This is your Our Father in Irish. Prayers and songs will help you along with your Irish as well. You'll notice some of the words that are used commonly to describe anyone that's related to you or whatever you'd see in here. Our means R as in O-U-R. Okay? Our nahar atá niau. Go nífer de anyam. Go daga de riach. Go nyantar de hull an talú. Mara yantar niau. Our naran lehul tour doing in you. Agus moich doing ar vecha. Mar a waihimagine dar vechu na hen agus nálig sin I gahu ach sir sin o alk. Amen. Okay? We'll go through that one more time for you. Ar nahar atá niau. Go nífer de anyam. Go daga de riach. Go nyantar de hull an talú. Mar yantar niau. Ar naran lehul tour doing in you. Agus moich doing ar vecha. Mar a waihimagine dar vecha na hen. Agus na lig sin a gahu ach sir sin o alk. Amen. Okay? We'll move on to the Hail Mary in Irish. She do vaha a wira, atá lan de grasta. Ta an Chirna Liat. Is Baniha Hu Ijermra. Agus is Baniha Toru Dovrinya Isa. A Nivura a Wahar J. Gi Orin Napaki Anish. Agus Ur Armwash. Amen. Okay, let's read that one more time for you. She Dovaha Awura. A Ta Lan de Rasta. Ta and China Yak. Is Baniha Hu Ijermra. August is Baniha Toru Dovrinya Isa. A Neve Wura. A Wahar J. Gi Orin Napaki Anish. August Ur Ar Mwash. Amen. Okay. And a little bit of this is a wee bit extra for you. So this would be your grace before meals. It's what I would have learned in school in Tyrone, down in nGaeilge. Big influence there by E. Moore O'Neill, okay, Hugh O'Neill, who's, well, a bit of the remains of the castle there at the top of the hill of the O'Neill. We were taught this in Irish class in secondary school there. So, Bani Shinne a Yia. Bani Armia Agus Arnyok. Os tu a Hiani Shin Godir. Seer Shin O Gak O. One more time for that. Bani Shinne a Yia. Bani Armia Agus Arnyok. Os tu a Hiani Shin Godir. Seer Shin O Gak O. Okay, and I'll take a run through them now. This is how you probably would hear them in a more natural form. So, bit of natural speed. In Animanahar, August and Vic, August and Spirit, Neve, Amen. Lord and Ahar, August and Wak, August and Spirit, Neve. Maravio Hus, Marata Anish, August Maraves Gobrach. Tree Heel Nasil. Amen. Ar Nahar, Ata Arnyar, Gudnifer de Anion, Gudaga de Riat, Gunyanta de Holla Atalu, Marayantar Arnyar. Ar Narn Lehul Toduin in you, August Maidun Arveka, Marawahim Virginia, Yarveka in him, August Nalichina Gahu, Oxir Shino Alt. Amen. She the Vaha Awara, Ata Land of Rasta, Tan Chirna Lat, is Baniha Hu Jamra, August is Baniha Toru de Vinya Isa, a new Vora, a Wahar J, Giorn the Pakianish, August Ur Amash, Amen. Bani Shina Yia, Bani Armia August Arnyok, Os Tu a Yani Shin Godir, Seer Shin. Oka. Michael or Haja? Keshtaby? Any questions? Happy enough for that?
Sorry, Killian, the translation for the grace one, would you be able to tell us the translation for grace?
Hold on one second. Yeah, I'll share that again. Let's see if I can put that up one more time. So Bani Shin, Shin is an old form of Mudge, okay, which means us. So bless us, O Lord, okay, bless us. You know the grace before meals, if you would say anyway. Bless us, O Lord. Aye is how to address God. Aye, so it's bless us, O God. Bani Armia Agus Arnyok. Bia is food, so bless our food. August Joch is drink, bless our drink. Okay. Os tu a chani shin godir. that for which this means to buy or to purchase, basically for what you bought dearly for us. Okay, so what you bought dearly, go dear, how you suffered for us to get it. Seer Shinye, free us or deliver us, O Gak Og, from every evil or every bad. Back to you one. So it's basically what you have here. It's an Irish version, I suppose, of the Latin that was there, or I should say the Greek. I was always taught in school it was Latin, but actually more conversation that I've had with priests about what was said. It was written down in Greek and then it came into Latin. Okay, so this is as close. If you look at any mass booklet in Irish, the changes that were made recently in mass booklets in English language, they didn't happen in Irish because the direct translation was already there. You know, what's the one that always springs to mind is, I am not worthy for you to enter under my roof. That was in Irish anyway, you know. It has now changed to be that in English, you know. So it was the translation from Greek to Latin to English, I think, that caused problems, you know. But there you have it, folks. That'll hopefully keep you.
Could I ask?
Go ahead,
could
Josephine.
I ask just for the spelling of the Paidreacha rosary?
Paidreacha, let me see if I can put it just. Paidreacha. Okay, so the Paidreacha. Okay. Paidreacha, that actually refers to, it's like a decade of the rosary, you know, a Paidreacha.
Okay.
You ever see the little decade rings that you would have got, you know, with the 10 beads on it? If you see, well, I don't know if anybody is still drinking poteen, but if you've ever seen a glass of poteen, as soon as it's poured, you will see, if it's very good, those little beads of air bubbles around the top of the glass, and that's what the older folk would have called an Paidreacha. You know, you can drink it, it's blessed. It's okay to drink. You know. Okay, folks, happy enough for that?
Thank you very much. That's great.
No bother. I'll stop this now and then I will put the recording up as soon as I can. nGaeilge. Okay, folks, hope to see you all Monday again. nGaeilge. Slán.
Fine.